For pump. So multiple pump. Maybe they will look for 2 horsepower pump. Inside that 2 horsepower, not the 2. And you look for a phone, go for this. Maybe talk to the wife, so don't know about.
Fine, so good afternoon.
Show me what they are looking for. There's one document where they come. I don't know whether it's a package.
So our materials.
You don't have this.
Move down. Tell them everything I do today.
I'm not the big.
You got all the parts are put inside it, buried. Yep, we are into the construction business. We're into the mechanical aspect. We are plumbers. We do mechanical work, braithwaite tanks installation, in sanitary ware installation. That is your toilet, your showers, your basins, your sink, anything that revolves around or that involves piping, water, plumbing. We are experts in that area. To make sure that there's water in your house, to make sure that you can access water, drilling of boreholes, all of those things we do them. Swimming pool construction, underground tanks, anything relating to storage of water, access to water, movement of water, cleanliness of your water, purification of your water. We are into it. Have fun. So the reason why we put this white cover over here is because this is a natural water spot deposit. So there's natural water, like spring water coming from the spring, from the rock, rather, that we tapped in, we tapped from here. You understand? It's flowing from here. So we just tapped it, connected some pipes to transfer it. If you watch the previous videos where you saw those boys digging, or sorry, rather using shovels to, cover up that tank, the water is moving from here into that tank that was in the ground. Then it moves from the tank in the ground to the tank that was on an iron, a metal stand. Then from there, so we're still going to move it elsewhere where it can be purified and used for, and then it can be good enough for consumption, it can be suitable for consumption. So the issue is that, yeah, it's also a construction site where people are working. As you can see, this is a construction site, many workers are on site. So the issue is that um, since here is a construction site and a lot of workers are here, they usually come here to drink from the water. So you see the water pouring from the ground. You can see him now opening it up a little bit. So you see them taking their bottles, and they, like, there's an opening, like 4 or 5 openings where the water is coming out from, and it's very clean actually, it's drinkable. So they start to drink from it, and they kind of like get the place dirty, different people coming here putting their feet here and everything. So in order to prevent contamination, they decided to cover it with this white wrap. This cellophane, is it cellophane they call it now, or is it I think it's cellophane they call it. So they decided to cover it up. Then we're going to bury it again. So we'll use what's it called? We use this white linear material called uh, ah, ca- called basically, membrane. Exactly, that's the name. The name of that white material is called membrane. That's the one underneath it. It's called membrane. Then after we drop the membrane, we use this other white material to cover the membrane. Then we bury everything so that people will no longer keep coming here and contaminating the ground. Hey, your love song can. You can see these are two different materials. This one is more like a garment material, like made of cotton or something, like a linen. So this one is the membrane. This one is also white. Also, this is the cellophane. This one is like I think this one is made from nylon. I think it's made from rubber. These are some of the guys assisting him. Explain to them what we do for site.
Yeah. This water, the source comes from God, so we're trying to direct it to a tank over there, and we notice once rainfall, we used to see some dirty over there, so they came with an idea that we should cover it with tampon so that once the rain is coming, the water that we contaminate will not will be coming down here and pass away to his own way. So that's what we are trying to do here. We are trying to protect the water so that the dirty will not be falling inside the tank.
Well done. You talk within the gun. Different from what he has said.
Hey, I get put on the HHU. I go no know that where I was now. But I mean, I we are within the environment they are
bring the date down to it so I can contact the water that flowed through the pipe. So I can't be contaminated. That's why we are putting green membrane
Trampoline. Okay, you heard it from them. They just gave you guys an explanation of what we're doing here. Oga Amaru, greet my people. They greet you.
Okay, well done.
Well done. I'm gonna carry on. So those are some of our staffs doing their duty. Always doing the necessary work to ensure that Esekadio is a well-respected company. We don't play with our work. We always do the best we can do. So look over there. See that blue object over there? That blue pipe. That is a borehole. That's the indication that it's a borehole there. That's the point where we drew the borehole. So when we are ready, we're going to install a submersible pump inside of that side and do the necessary connection. Already we drilled like 5 boreholes within this estate area. So we're going to drill more probably, but yeah, so it is what it is. So yeah, we do come here a lot of time because the work we've been doing over here is a lot. So this very estate, this is just one of the phases, the latest phase of the estate now for decades. I think more than up to 30 years now we've been working with these guys, and yeah, they trust our work. Cassia.
We are within the 3 years.
I think 1.5. Anywhere you